Hi and welcome to this video. If you're still not making money online, then listen up because I have something important to share with you. I wanted to talk to you about content and how to use it to generate real income for you and your loved ones. Content marketing is all about content creation that doesn't explicitly promote a brand, but is intended to stimulate interest in its products or services. Repeated studies show that this is by far the best way to generate leads and sales. No wonder everyone wants a bit of the action. It's big business. This year alone, it's forecasted to generate over $76 billion, and it's growing fast. But how do companies actually generate this content? Well, up until now, they've had to hire expensive freelancers. Paying for good sales copy costs thousands. But what if there was a way to automate this process using the latest artificial intelligence technology? Introducing QuickCopy. So don't hesitate. Click the Buy Now button and we'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses, and of course anything that will help you make money online. If making money online is your intention, here on my channel I review products, training courses, and basically whatever out there that will help you, after being tested, make money online. Today I have another amazing product, a software called QuickCopy. QuickCopy is going live on the 3rd of June 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think that will be New York time, and of course in GS Central European time that should be around 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. So this is a product that's going live by being pushed out there by the affiliate and creator Ves Kueho and of course Dan Ashendorf. And this one, in a nutshell, is a software that is going to help you create contents. It's like creating copyright capabilities where you can create great contents for sales pages, squeeze pages, your blogs and your websites, everything content which you can spend a lot of money to get services for on Fiverr. This is what this very product is going to do for you, and it's going to give you sort of a business in a box that you can sell to clients on Fiverr or any of the freelancing platforms. If in a nutshell, this is one product you're going to require for its capabilities, for being a business for you, I will recommend you use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, which is this, and you can grab a copy using this very link or any of the other yellow links scattered all over this place. When you do use any of those links to get to my bonus page, what will happen is that under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, after buying this product, you will be able to gain access to QuickCopy software here, and of course here under this blue one will give you access to the amazing bonuses I'm going to show you if you stick with me on this very one. We were already on the very software area of this very product, the dashboard of QuickCopy. This is where you are going to become a member, because this is the members area, and I will also show you the amazing sales page for this one, where you can get of course discount of some kind using the pop-up coupon that is going to fall down to be able to get a further discount on the front end of this one. With that said, let us quickly see what this product is basically all about. Okay, and now it's one product that I know that is going to actually help you make money online, even starting from today, as soon as you put this of course into practice. Okay, and like I said, it's going live today, the 3rd of June 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. 11 a.m. thereabout ESP. That's New York time for you. Okay, and with that said, let us take a look at the pricing for this one. Now the front end goes for $24. I think with a discount pop-up that you're going to find when you get to this page, you will be able to get further discount on this very product using the discount coupon that you're going to find on this very page. Okay, now if it's not there when you get there, just refresh the page, you'll be able to find it. Okay, now with that said, let us see what the front end gives you. It gives you access to this very software, which is this, and of course it also helps you write contents for email copy, product launch email, promotional email, newsletter, lead nurturing email, abandoned cart email, free trial email, webinar email, survey email, post webinar email, and very many more. And OTO number one would be the pro version of this, which is advisable to buy. That's $7. It will give you the unlimited version of this front end in case there are any limitations upon all these capabilities that you see here. Now, this very OTO number one will give you long form article up to 800 words, and of course keyword extractor, paraphrasing tool, and summarizing tool. OTO number two will be the unlimited. It goes for also, this is the pro version 37, the unlimited goes for 47, which is you can buy this, of course, unlimited copy, unlimited credits, unlimited projects, and of course unlimited downloads. And OTO number 3 will be the traffic booster for $37. It gives you, it helps you syndicate content to more than 66 platforms for instant traffic in one click, like Facebook, social media, Twitter, Pinterest, and a lot of other social media handles. Now, OTO number 4 will be the agency. It goes for $67, and everything you need to start a widely successful copywriting agency will be made available with this very upsell, which is stunning ready-made video agency website, irresistible proposal, highly optimized cold call email sequencing, and print-ready commercial graphics templates for copywriting services like on Fiverr. So it gives you basically a business in a box. OTO number 5 will be QuickCopy training. It goes for $47. OTO number 6, QuickCopy reseller, goes for $297, which means you can resell QuickCopy and keep 100% profit. And of course, admin panel to create and manage users. Okay, all these things you have capabilities to use this reseller rights option to be able to get everything you want, and be able to even change the name of this product to yours and launch it on your own. Okay, these are the amazing benefits you stand to gain if you take a look at this. And this is the very demo video that you're going to watch at your companies. And now here are my bonuses: 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, a crazy hack that you need to exploit. And OTO my bonus number 2 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, which means you can always learn how to do affiliate marketing from scratch and be able to begin to make money as early as possible. My bonus number 3 will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice. Could be a website, squeeze page, sales page, anything you have out there that definitely get the clicks that you need to make money online. This very hack is going to teach you how to do that effectively. My bonus number 4 will be how to create a free professional website which you can sell on Fiverr as a service. And of course, you know what that means. Talking about having a gig on this very subject on Fiverr, driving traffic to your work, and of course, you'll be able to use, just as it complements with QuickCopy, to make wonderful websites and contents. And of course, this is going to help you in your marketing. My bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses, which I'm going to show you in a short while on the sales page. And then that brings us to the end of this one. And of course, like I said, if you click this link when you get here, using the link in my description area, definitely you'll be able to find under your purchase history at this page. It has 2 buttons. This one gives you access to QuickCopy, and this one gives you access to my amazing bonuses. And now, with that said, let us eventually see that we go to the members area and see what you stand to gain when you become a member after purchasing using my link. Now, this is the dashboard area. Here you have the email copy, where you have all the information you need on how to get all the things and the capabilities. This is get started, product launch email, promotional email, abandoned email. These are how you are going to get started. If you want to create any page for anyone on Fiverr or for your services, for your marketing, you can easily do that depending on what you want to do. Free trial email, webinar email, survey email, pre-launch email, post-webinar email, engagement email, and of course, welcome email, affiliate promotional email. Every email you can think of, you can always get with this one, okay? And here you have the email sequencing, which means you can, on autoresponder mode, sequence your emails and you have everything automated on autopilot so that you can sleep while the thing is working on the background making money for you. Okay, now this is the personalized intro which you can have access to, and of course digital ads, special tools, articles and blogs that you can make use of in order to get the information that you need to write some of these contents. Okay, here you get the blogs, all the titles, all the things you want, article summaries, blog heading expander, blog post, blog outline, everything you want on, as long as blogging on your website, which is another way of driving traffic from Google to any of the offers you have out there. So it's basically a wonderful article, a wonderful product that I can assure you. Okay, and here you have the website copies, where you can get all the copies of website templates and all that. And here you have the social media, where you can do your social media marketing. Okay, and here you have video and audio. Everything you need to actually begin to make money with this one is here. And we have module 2, reseller account, team members, user account, and basically everything that you need to be able to. It's a complete package that I can see from what I am seeing so far. It's a complete package. Okay, it's amazing product. It's an amazing product. You can begin to make money as soon as possible with this one if you eventually get it for such a price, $24 plus discount on the sales page pop up. You'll be able to have it for less than that. I mean, that's very much affordable. And with that said, let us go to the very sales page and see if we can wrap up with this one. This is the sales page you can read at your convenience. Brand new AI technology that creates highly effective marketing copies for any niche and in any language in just a few seconds. Okay, at your convenience, you'll be able to go through the steps of getting this one. Log in, enter keyword, publish and profit. And here are the amazing testimonials you have for this product. I believe the beta testers of this product, and here are the income proofs that you have using this product by the creator. And of course, at your convenience, you'll be able to go through this very page and find out exactly what you have with this one. It gives you Twitter ads, LinkedIn text ads, Pinterest ads, blog and articles, blog completion, everything you want as long as marketing is concerned. Capabilities are so enormous that you can have a business in a box as long as Fiverr and all the other freelancing marketplaces are concerned. Okay, now let us see if we can look at the very bonuses that I promised you from the vendor, and then you'll be able to take a look at what you stand to gain from the vendor. And of course, I have 4 already for you. Definitely 4 or 5 from the vendor, if I'm correct. Then you will be able to take a look at them and see if that will help you in case you need to make up your mind on this amazing business in a box of a product, as long as I am and my assessment is concerned. Now, bonus number 1 will be WordPress Copy Guard. Bonus number 2, Keyword Generator Pro. Bonus number 3, WordPress YouTube Maximizer. Bonus number 4, WordPress I Ask WordPress plugin. And bonus number 5 will be WordPress Sales Bar plugin. And those are 5 bonuses from the vendor, like I told you, 4 from me, 9 amazing bonuses for this one. And with that said, we will definitely have to wrap up this very review. And if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, use the bell button for notifications, and possibly share this amazing product video. Okay, and I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye, guys.